Hello traders. In today's video, we are discussing the difference between market execution and instant execution in Forex trading. Understanding how your orders are processed is an important part of working with any trading platform. With instant execution, when you place an order, the broker attempts to fill it at the exact price you see. If price moves before the order is processed, you may receive a requote asking you to accept the new price. With market execution, your order is sent directly to the market and filled at the best available price at that moment, which means there are no requotes, but you may experience slippage where the fill price differs slightly from what you saw. You can observe which execution type your broker uses by checking the orders window, like I did, new order over here. Some brokers clearly state whether they use market or instant execution in their account specifications. Understanding execution types is important for all traders, regardless of experience level. Keep in mind that this is an educational overview only. The actual execution quality depends on your broker, market conditions, and liquidity. Neither method guarantees a specific fill price, and both have their own trade offs. If you'd like to learn more, I've included a link in the description below. This has been another video from the Forex Geek. If you found this useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.